Hi everyone! Welcome to an ORESE silky head wrap tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to tie your silky head wrap into a simple top knot. All of my head wraps come with a wrap kit, which includes one wrap cap and 2 elastics, so make sure you have them ready to go. Start off by folding your scarf lengthwise in half and placing it behind your head. Now, this next step is the most important part to keeping your wrap secure all day, so I really want you to pay attention here. You're gonna gather all your fabric and twist it hard to the left. Don't be gentle. This twist is what keeps the wrap on your head, so make sure it's tight. Next, you're gonna flip that twist straight back and grab your first elastic. Double your elastic around the twist, just like I'm doing here, into a small bun. Now, the larger you make this twisted bun, the less fabric you'll have to finish your top knot, so make sure you keep your bun neat and petite. Gather all your remaining fabric neatly into one column, and don't forget to adjust the fabric to make sure only the shiny side of your wrap is showing. Give the column a slight twist to the left and move the entire column over to the right to begin wrapping around your bun. As you saw right there, I fluffed out my wrap a little too much and lost a lot of texture. That slight twist I just mentioned gives such a beautiful pleated texture to your end result, so make sure you use a mirror here, don't rush this step, and keep twisting until the end. Once your bun is covered, push down on the top knot and pull the last ends of your fabric taut. Finish up by securing the whole top knot with your second elastic. Now, at this point, you can slightly play around with the shape and positioning of your wrap to get it exactly how you want. And that's it. Pretty easy, right? Don't forget to tuck in your wrap cap. I started with my wrap cap pulled down onto my forehead, so the second elastic I just used doesn't catch any of my baby hairs when I put it on. Of course, we all want to be snatched, but not like that. Make sure your wrap looks juicy from all angles, and you are good to go. Oh, and if you tied your wrap just how I showed you in this tutorial, it will stay tied. You'll be able to slip it off and slip it back on again for next time, because ain't nobody got time to be tying a fresh wrap every day. Bye.